was trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
So yeah, last time was a few years ago now anyway. It was around about 2 years ago since I had the car there, but obviously now a lot has changed. We're now DCT box. We have a different diff, obviously different prop, different suspension, different ECU, there's all sorts. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. 12s isn't like a wild time, so I just want to aim there for now. If I can get to 12s and then start to creep up on the times, some point, someday, I hope to have the overall rear wheel drive record for Crail Raceway, which is it's a 10.3. So yeah, and for you guys that have never heard of Crail before or never been to Crail before, I always say this, that it's like racing on grass. There's no prep at all, there's no rubber, it's literally like, I suppose Americans would say asphalt or tarmac, but slightly worse. So yeah, it's very interesting, but everyone wants to get down the same strip. So rear wheel drive stuff and front wheel drive stuff is great fun. 4-wheel drive is good fun as well. You just don't really have to worry about the traction as much, so they get some really fast times. But yeah, looking forward to seeing it, and hopefully the car holds for a full pass. But we'll be starting her off soft anyway, tuning on ethanol the past few days, and really enjoying that. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get to it. Oh yeah, straight in the day. Fucking yes. So yes, made it. Car was in one piece. There was a sketchy moment actually when I came across. I ran about and one of the cars pulled it in front of me, and I nearly got an RX7 in the back of the Range. Oh, the Hondas. This is where the Hondas live. Oh yeah. Oh, I swear man, I'm actually shaking. Very first pass, never driven or dragged, not even mapped properly yet or nothing like that. I just done an 11.8 or 11.9 on draggy and 11.8 on the time and stuff. Like, what the actual fuck? Just jumped my goals by a second. Absolutely mental. So we'll start turning up now. It's just at wastegate pressure, so we've got another bar and a half to go, and should be good. But I need to get a log because that run didn't get a log, so I'm going to do the same boost and then just see if it.
There you go, Gavin. Proof it's not a misprint. that was Gav's run at 11,599 at 138 miles an hour. So we'll find out if he's happy with that or if he's not happy with that. He's going this way. 11,599 at 138 mile an hour.
No way, man! No way, man! 11.5!
11,599 at 138.
It's a wastegate pressure. It's not got any boosting it yet. Oh nah, I need to look over the phone, man. That's mental. Oh yes, cheers, bro. Fuck!
138 mile an hour. And my diesel Skoda 60 foot faster than that.
Well, that's what I'm saying, eh? I'm literally rolling off the line, eh? Look, I gave the Fiesta a 2.9 second head start and still fucking gubbed them at the end, like. That's a 7/8 mile there. Oh, I need to get the short track of this thing sorted out. Even at that boost, that's getting stupid fast, like. Best in class.
138, that's up there with the fastest.
That is getting quick.
That's
like.
up there with the fastest.
Yeah.
That's a 9-second pod time.
I know.
Pod speed.
Oh my god, man. This thing is flying, like, I can't wait to turn it up. I've still got another bar and a boost to go. Bar and a half, man.
What?
Bar and a half to go. It's literally as low power as it'll make, and it's doing 11.5s, like.
It looked like it was dancing at the, like...
It just doesn't get traction, eh?
No, at the top end. It was
It moves a bit like because they're slicks. You can't actually just hit the brakes. You have to gradually get on it because the whole moves around. But yeah, for the first 3 gears, I'm just wheel spinning. See them here. So I've got like the green and the orange. So orange is my front wheel speed, and the green is my back. You can see it up here. So the back is doing 117 kilometers an hour, and the front's doing 77. So it's like 43% slip.
So you get happy?
What's that?
Big time, man. What? The wee car cool down and get some videos some of these. Naturally this Skoda will win because it's a little beast. Lewis is just using the laptop just now to try and dial in. I think the map's gone a bit corrupt. Honda is a bit sketchy just now. Sounds a bit better. And here we've got Duncan in Albany. And we've got Jake and his pal as well. So we'll see what these guys do. That'll be a funny race. Here we go. Here's it, boys. Gregby's doing. Oh, Greg's got him. I think. Let's see what the times are. Oh no, I think Dwayne maybe won. So we're back at base now. I've taken the sandbags out actually. We're just Greg's playing a boost pipe, popped the wee boost pipe off, and there's a wee angle there. Oh yes, the race must be back on again. It was shut for a wee while because there was a deer running over the track, so the boy was flying about chasing after it. But we're doing his curry chips and cheese. That's his secret diet. That's how he makes his car so fast.
They're not that like it's decently flat, and as soon as you pass through
So the last one was an 11.456 at 136. So we'll see if he looks happy. 11.456 at 136.
Oh man, this thing's nuts by the way. This thing's nuts, eh? No, that's good. So load the boost at the top end just to try and not ask for the top speed and just try to dial it at 60 foot. So
You've seen this? They fucked up the sheets, Duncan Calder at 11.5.
holy shit, man, he's doing better than me.
I can.
11.5 and 92. Oh my god, that's brilliant. Man, I'm fucking buzzing, eh? I've got all my boys here. We've got Cammy, Greg, we've got Dwayne, we've got Lewis over there as well. We've all got the laptops out, we're all going over the data. You know, these cars are not massive power cars, but we use data to help us get the 60 foots and get out the hole, and it makes them fast. So, I can't believe I've got an 11.5. I forgot to do the draggy, but next one I will. And also, I've got sandbags in it now as well, so we'll see if that makes a difference, because I cannot get out of the hole. Again, I've got this throttle position now, so I can go 100% throttle, and e-throttle only gives me like 20%, so that'll hopefully get me to the line so I can start doing more consistent passes. But Lewis wants to race me and he's fucking fast. There's Greg and Dwayne over there. Oh yes. Oh, yes.
wank broke. What if you broke?
Need a gearbox then.
Oh, you lost it there.
Need a gearbox.
You want me to start off? That's it.
Stop. Hey, busted that.
Busted it. There's no gears.
So I don't know if you've seen in that last run, I broke it. I broke the gearbox. So yeah, just too much. I don't know what it is, to be honest with you. I need to jack it up and see, pull it apart. I don't know if it's clutch baskets or if it's output shaft or input shaft or just one of my dodgy welds on the fucking flywheel, you know. So yeah, we're not really sure what it is. It's probably my worst 60 foot as well, so a bit of an odd one, but these things happen. So yeah, absolutely buzzing about the day. I've got my team here, they're all here supporting me. I'm crying on all their shoulders, every one of them, there's a lot of tears. It's no problem at all. We'll maybe upgrade clutch baskets and that while we're in it, because it is complete standard gearbox. Yeah, the thing is making some power. I'm tapping like 139 mile an hour or something like that, 138. So it's making some steam, that's for sure. Right guys, so that's it. As you can see in the distance over there, the car is on the trailer, and we're going to be heading home now. So not sure what's broken on it, not sure what's snapped. It might be one of my dodgy welds, no idea. It could be something simple. I'm thinking most likely the clutch basket, because it kind of is a common thing. It's just a little tiny wee weld. Maybe in the future, if it is a clutch basket, I'll maybe look at going to like a dual mass flywheel instead of just a single mass, which is, you know, most likely what's caused it. Although when it did change gear, it wasn't shocked because it wasn't actually changing gear. It was in the same gear. See ya! Bye! So not sure exactly what it was, but what we'll do, we'll pull it out anyway, we'll have a look, and we'll build it bigger and better. Probably just weld the hoover back together again. Anyway guys, we're gonna have to tow this beast home because Destiny here, Destiny decided to snap our drive shaft. Sasha, the wee slag, has outlived all our cars. Don't know how. Clutch is obviously slipping like hell, so towing this home is going to be interesting, so we'll see how it goes. But anyway guys, thanks for coming along and watching. We'll get more updates soon. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next vid. Cheers.